Have you ever experienced that you marinate and prepare all the things perfectly, but the moment you start grilling, the meat falls apart? Hello, I'm Mahdi and welcome to your channel. In this content, I'm gonna show you how to master Chelow kebab and keep your meat perfectly on the skewer and surprise your friends by this juicy Persian traditional kebab. First, pay attention to the meat mixture. Half should be beef tenderloin and the other half lamb flank, and it should be ground twice. Next, you should grate the onions in proportion the meat and drain the excess water. For 800 grams of meat, I grate 4 medium onions, and it's suitable for 4 people. To drain easily, you can put the onions middle of handkerchief and squeeze it. So add the dried onion to the meat. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda, enough pepper, and enough salt. And then knead the mixture. Then you should slam the mixture into the bowl 20 to 30 times like this. After slamming, let it rest for 1 to 2 hours, preferably in cool place.